from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2001 Acura MDX. I'm going to show you how to replace the starter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. A 1/2-inch pipe I use to extend my 3/8 ratchet. Two different type cordless 3/8 ratchets. Two different type 3/8 ratchets. Two different type 3/8 extensions. Two different type 17mm sockets. 10mm socket. 1/4-inch cordless ratchet. 1/4-inch ratchet. 1/4-inch extension. 10mm socket. 8mm socket. 12mm wrench. Flat tip screwdriver. Battery terminal cleaner. Anti-seize. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job, a starter. Okay, first we're going to be removing this cover. There's 4 bolts, one here, one here, one here, and one there. Okay, so I'm going to be removing this plastic piece. Use a flat tip screwdriver. Twist the retainer and pull it out. So remove the battery. So remove this plastic shield for the battery. So I'm going to be removing this metal bracket. This is bolted to the bottom tray of the battery. So I'm going to try to remove the starter. Disconnect the starter wires. I'm going to get 2 bolts that bolt the starter to the engine. One is going to be on the top and one is going to be on the bottom. Removing this rubber boot. And removing the top bolt on the starter. Removing the lower bolt. It's actually hard to see, but it's like right under here, using a 17mm socket. Yeah, this guy, you just gotta go by feel. I'm gonna be transferring this bracket to the new starter. Installing the new starter. Installing the starter bolts. I'm going to be putting on some anti-seize on my bolts. So I'm going to be putting on the top bolt, the shorter bolt on first. Okay, so putting on the bottom bolt. Connecting the wires to the starter. Connecting the main wire. Installing this plastic shield for the battery. Attach all these clips. Installing the bracket. Installing the battery. Installing the battery hold down. Cleaning my battery terminals. Okay, now we're going to start up the vehicle. It sounds good. Installing this plastic cover. And lock up the retainer. Putting on this top cover. Putting some anti-seize on my bolts. Okay, and you're good to go. So that's how you replace a starter. If you have any questions, comments below, make sure to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and I see you in the next video. Aloha.